The Grumman F6F Hellcat stands as a monumental figure in the annals of World War II aviation, renowned for its formidable performance and significant contributions to the success of Allied forces in the Pacific theater. As a carrier-based fighter aircraft, the Hellcat played a pivotal role in naval aviation history, establishing its dominance over the skies and earning its place as one of the most successful fighter aircraft of the era. The aircraft's remarkable combat record and its superiority over enemy aircraft, particularly the Japanese Mitsubishi A6M0, made it an indispensable asset in achieving air superiority during the war. The origins of the F6F Hellcat trace back to the efforts of the Grumman Aircraft Engineering Corporation, which sought to create a successor to the F4F Wildcat that could effectively counter the formidable Japanese Zero. The development of the Hellcat was driven by the urgent need for a fighter that could address the Wildcat's shortcomings, particularly its lack of speed and maneuverability compared to its Japanese adversaries. Grumman's design team, led by Leroy Grumman, embarked on an ambitious project to create a robust, high-performance fighter that would meet the rigorous demands of carrier-based operations. The Hellcat was designed around the powerful Pratt & Whitney R2800 double WASP engine, which provided the aircraft with the necessary speed and power to outmatch its opponents. The engine's 2,000 horsepower was a significant upgrade from the Wildcats, enabling the Hellcat to achieve speeds of up to 391 miles per hour. One of the key design features of the Hellcat was its rugged construction, which included a reinforced airframe and a robust landing gear system, capable of withstanding the stress of carrier landings. The aircraft was also equipped with improved armament, featuring 650 caliber Browning M2 machine guns, which provided formidable firepower against enemy aircraft. The inclusion of self-sealing fuel tanks and armor plating for the pilot further enhanced the Hellcat's survivability in combat. The design process of the Hellcat was marked by rigorous testing and evaluation, with prototypes undergoing extensive trials to ensure their suitability for carrier operations. The result was an aircraft that not only met but exceeded the expectations of its designers, earning the admiration of pilots who would soon take it into battle. The F6F Hellcat made its combat debut with the U.S. Navy in 1943, quickly proving its worth in the skies over the Pacific. Its introduction marked a turning point in the aerial conflict, as the Hellcat's superior performance allowed it to dominate the Japanese Zero and other enemy aircraft. The Hellcat's operational history is replete with examples of its effectiveness in achieving air superiority, as it participated in numerous battles and campaigns that were critical to the Allied victory in the Pacific. One of the most notable engagements involving the Hellcat was the Battle of the Philippine Sea, often referred to as the Great Marianas Turkey Shoot, due to the overwhelming success of American pilots against Japanese forces. During this battle, Hellcat pilots were credited with shooting down a staggering number of enemy aircraft, solidifying the aircraft's reputation as a lethal adversary. Throughout the Pacific campaign, the Hellcat served in various roles, including fighter, fighter bomber, and night fighter. Its versatility made it an invaluable asset to the U.S. Navy and Marine Corps, with the aircraft being deployed in support of ground operations, fleet defense, and offensive strikes against enemy targets. Notable squadrons that flew the Hellcat included VF-2, VF-9, and VF-15, with pilots such as David McCampbell and Alex Vrashu achieving ace status through their exploits in the aircraft. The impact of the F6F Hellcat on the outcome of key naval battles and the broader Pacific War cannot be overstated. Its dominance in the air played a crucial role in the success of major Allied operations, including the Mariana and Palau Islands campaign, which paved the way for the eventual invasion of the Japanese mainland. The aircraft's superior performance and combat effectiveness contributed to the crippling of Japanese air power, making it increasingly difficult for the enemy to mount effective resistance against Allied advances. Statistics on the Hellcat's combat performance further underscore its significance in the Pacific theater. By the end of the war, Hellcat pilots had been credited with destroying over 5,000 enemy aircraft, achieving an impressive kill-to-loss ratio that highlighted the aircraft's superiority over its adversaries. This remarkable record of success was instrumental in securing the strategic objectives of the Allied forces and hastening the end of the war in the Pacific. The F6F Hellcat introduced several technological advancements and innovations that set it apart from its contemporaries. One of the most significant innovations was the development of radar-equipped versions of the Hellcat, which enhanced its effectiveness in nighttime operations. These radar-equipped variants, designated F6F3E and F6F5N, allowed pilots to intercept and engage enemy aircraft under the cover of darkness, further extending the Hellcat's dominance in the Pacific. In terms of technological features, the Hellcat compared favorably to its Allied and Axis counterparts. Its combination of speed, firepower, and durability made it a formidable opponent, capable of holding its own against both the Japanese Zero and the German Focke-Wulf FW-190. The Hellcat's design innovations, including its bubble canopy for improved pilot visibility and advanced wing design for enhanced lift and maneuverability, contributed to its exceptional performance in combat. The legacy of the F6F Hellcat extends beyond its wartime service, leaving a lasting impact on the evolution of military aviation. Its success in combat and its advanced design features influenced the development of future fighter aircraft, contributing to the advancement of carrier-based aviation technology. After World War II, the Hellcat continued to serve in various capacities with other nations' air forces, including the French Navy and the Royal Navy's Fleet Air Arm. Today, the Hellcat remains a celebrated symbol of American air superiority during World War II, with surviving examples preserved in museums and featured in air shows around the world. Its enduring legacy serves as a testament to the ingenuity and determination of the engineers and pilots who contributed to its success. In conclusion, the Grumman F6F Hellcat holds a distinguished place in the history of World War II aviation, renowned for its pivotal role in securing victory in the Pacific theater. Its development marked a significant advancement in naval aviation capabilities, addressing the shortcomings of its predecessors and establishing a new standard for carrier-based fighter aircraft. The Hellcat's exceptional combat performance, technological innovations, and lasting influence on future aviation designs underscore its significance as a defining symbol of Allied air power during the war. As we reflect on its contributions to the outcome of the Pacific War, the F6F Hellcat stands as a testament to the ingenuity and courage of those who designed, built, and flew this remarkable aircraft.